in terms of not having enough process, often what that will look like is people having to spend a bunch of time kind of on wrangling different stakeholders. Maybe if you have a cross team dependency, you have to wait weeks until like that team frees up or something like that. And you feel really out of sort of like lockstep with your sort of like peer engineering teams. That probably like signals that, maybe you're not being sort of like as thorough in the like planning process at the beginning of the quarter or whatever time period you're planning for, not identifying those dependencies in a way that like lets you kind of get in sync with others. So you can really reduce that sort of like cross team coordination. I think if you're having to spend like a ton of time week after week, like figuring out what you're working on, that also probably means that you didn't plan out quite far enough in advance. And I think we want to get like directionally correct for the quarter. But if we 100% predict what we did in a given quarter, like that probably means that we spent too much time on planning. And if we get like, 10% right, that also probably means we didn't spend enough time on planning, because finding that balance of like, okay, we want to invest some time to like be able to reduce coordination costs, but we also don't want to like cause a bunch of thrash if we don't do enough planning or spend so much time on planning that we get it perfectly right.